the duty and the privilege to declare the 2023 KCPE examination results officially released. I wish all candidates success in their future endeavors.
Na kuona mundu ahandaga kiria agetha riu muthenya wa umuthi arutwo aria maikarire kigeranio gia KCPE ni marikia kwamukira maumirira mao. Murutwo wa mbere akigia marks 428 kuringana na ndumiriri ria yarekereirio ni minista wa githomo Professor Ezekiel machogu.
The highest score this year was 428 marks. 428 marks is the highest score for this year.
Oho machogu ni athathaurite ati arutwo aria megwatire gatagati ka marks 400 nginyagia marks 500 ni arutwo 8,525 magikinyia gicunji kia kibugu turuma 6 hari 100 aria megwatire marks 300 nginyagia marks 399 magikinyia arutwo 352 782 aria gicunji kia 24.92 hari 100 arutwo aria megwatire marks 200 nginyagia marks 299 magikinyia arutwo 658 278 aria gicunji kia 48.49 hari 100 na waria megwatire marks 100 nginyagia marks 199 magikinyia arutwo 383 aria gicunji kia 27.5 hari 100 na arutwo aria megwatire thi wa marks 100 magikinyia arutwo 260 aria gicunji gia kibugu turuma 1.5 hari 100. Namba ya arutwo aria maraikariire kigeranio kiu ni mirioni 1,655,557 magikinyia gicunji kia 99.34 hari 100.
The number, therefore, total number that sat the examination was 1,406,557, translating into 99.34%.
Maumirira macio arutwo a airitu ni mekite wega mathomo ma githungu githweri hamwe na ruthiomi rwa ciiko gukira arutwo a anake no arutwo a anake mageka wega hari mathomo ma mathabu na science.
In terms of gender, the performance of male and female candidates was comparable in social studies and religious education. However, female candidates performed slightly better than their male counterparts in the English language, Kiswahili and the Kenya Sign Language. Male candidates performed slightly better than their female counterparts in mathematics and sciences.
Ona gukire uguo arutwo eri tu no maranyitirwo na ciiko cia kuhenania murutwo umwe akinyitwo na thimo ya moko no cio ungi ari na karatathi kandike.
Only 2 candidates out of the total 1,406,557 were involved in examination malpractices during the 2023 KCPE examination. One of the candidates was found with unauthorized notes in the examination room, while the other candidate was found with a mobile phone in the examination room.
Ukinyamukira kuma guku wabicini cia knec ari South C mucii munene wa Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.